Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install pyserial program on your machine. First we open a web browser and we type pyserial download. I'm going to download the pyserial 2.7. The reason is if you go to your terminal and type Python and -v, my Python, I'm using a 2.7.6 and this is compatible with my Python. Make sure you have the same same version of your program. If you are using the Python 3, you can download the pyserial 3.21, but in my case I'm installing pyserial 2.7 on my Linux machine. Here click on download. Here is for it depends on your operating system, you have to click. I'm using this one. I'm downloading. Yeah, it's very small program. As you see, it's already downloaded here on my download folder, and we have to go to the download folder. Oops, it's caps lock on. Okay, we have this one. The best things, I would like to actually copy this one on my home folder. I go back and as you see here, I copy, download pyserial to the current folder. Here actually you can see the file here. Now we have to we have to extract this file. The command we can use is *-zxvf, and the file name is pyserial 2.7 *gz, and I think that's it. Just enter. It's very small file. Hopefully we have the pyserial. Yeah, we have already the folder. Okay, I'm clear up. Okay, in the folder you can see a few files, and now still is not installed. What we have to do, we have to use the Python, and also use this setup file, and we say build. Okay, and then the next we have to use the sudo python setup py, and also install the password. Okay, here we installed the pyserial. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the pyserial on Python with the Arduino as a microprocessor to write a program with it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye.